Delivering ruling on the application filed by the Striking Academic Staff Union of Universities, ASUU, the presiding justice, Hamma Barka, orders ASUU to comply with the ruling of the National Industrial Court, which ordered them to return to work, while negotiations continue with the federal government. He warns that if ASUU refuses to comply, it automatically loses the right to appeal against the ruling of the lower court. The appeal court then strikes out ASUU's application for a stay of execution on the order of the industrial court, based on the motion of its counsel, Femi Falana SCN, for the withdrawal of the application. Justice Barka then orders ASUU to file its notice of appeal on the ruling of the lower court within 7 days. After the ruling, counsel in the matter bear their mind to the proceedings.
The Honorable Court agreed with our submission that the appellant, the Academic Staff Union of Universities, through their counsel, had approached the Court of Appeal with dirty hands of disobedience of the court. So the Honorable Court granted them a conditional leave to appeal, provided today they must obey the order of the National Industrial Court made on the 21st of September, ordering them to return to classroom. You heard the court considering the interest of students who had been locked out of school and educational infrastructure that had been locked down for the past 8 months, and saying that order of the National Industrial Court must be obeyed today.
Both grants of objections were rejected by the court. In the wisdom of their lordships, the opposition from the council to the federal government of Nigeria is an attempt to usurp the constitutional powers of Nigerians to approach appellate courts when they are aggrieved with rulings by lower courts.
The option left for ASUU now is to appeal the ruling at the Supreme Court of Nigeria. Joseph Kadiri, ITV News, Abuja.